Hi there. The app that I chose to use is Nearpod. I've never used it before. My school division provides us with an account, so I thought this is a great way to go ahead and use something that my school division wants me to be using. I chose this because it's a great way to present information as a lesson, either to the entire class or for students to do on their own before a class discussion or the teacher-led lesson. In addition to that, I really like it because the purpose of this activity, this type of app, is that it's an interactive lesson. So some content is provided, students have an opportunity to provide feedback or answer questions so that they're not just sitting there the whole time. They're interacting and they have to be engaged and participating in the lesson. In this Nearpod, I'm just going to do a preview here. I did an activity for the students to share their favorite things. So since I teach ESOL and we're mostly new to each other because the kids are coming from 2 or 3, sometimes 4 different schools, and combining in the intermediate school where I teach, they have to get to know each other because a lot of them won't know each other. So I did a back to school, what's your favorite activity? So it just asks what's your favorite snack. And then each slide, they can listen to the question.
What's your favorite snack?
I know you probably can't hear that, but I read it aloud. I recorded it. And so then they can record their response, or they can type their response here. And then favorite game, same idea here, favorite TV show or movie. So these first few are that. This one is draw a self-portrait, so they can use the tools here to, draw a picture of what they see as themselves. This is a collaborative board similar to like Padlet, so everyone would do a search and they would find their favorite book, take a screenshot and post it here. So we'd get to see everyone's favorite books, and that would maybe give the kids some ideas, favorite place they could go in the world. And at the end, I took the opportunity to do all of my favorite game, my favorite book, movie, favorite snack. So to create one of these, first of all, there's a huge library that you could download and edit. You can make a copy and edit. You can also start from scratch. You can also use a slide deck that you've already created in Google Slides. They're not really that difficult. If I go in here to edit, it's similar to editing or making a slide deck in Google Slides or PowerPoint. You start with your deck, you can add a new one. It asks you what it's going to be, a slide. You can put a video in, you can put audio. There's lots of different ways to enter something in. And the best way really to learn how to use this is just open it up and start playing around with it. That's what I had to do, because everyone's going to have their own idea of what they want the lesson to look like and how they want the students recording their responses. That's all. Thanks. Bye.